Hi. Hi guys, today morning this tree is behind me and the weather is really good. I'm sorry for yesterday's video, there was some settings on my camera which was changed and I didn't know, so the quality was grainy. But the next couple of days is going to be me preparing to leave to Bangalore and preparing some other stuff. My eyes are like this because the light is really good. My mom hates it when my eyes are like this. She asks me to wear sunglasses in my videos, but it's okay. Let me compensate for yesterday's poor quality with some better quality with another lens that I have and I do not use. This is the 50mm lens which I got on my birthday about 3 years back. Check out the quality with this. Very sadly, with this lens, we have to sit very far, so it's not really good for vlogging. I can't have the camera in my hand always. But the quality! This is how vlogging with this lens looks like. This is the furthest my hand can hold this. I hope that makes up for yesterday's very poor quality. So, today's plan is... It's 11:30. I'm meeting my friends at 12:30. At 1 we watch the Suicide Squad. My friends are getting back to college and I'm going elsewhere, so it's a good time to meet. One problem. It's 11:40. My previous video is still uploading and I do not think I'll be able to publish it before leaving. Internet problems! I do not know anything about the Suicide Squad. All I know through Batman is that Joker has a really cool way of looking at things.
Do I really look like a guy with a plan? You know what I am? I'm a dog chasing cars. I wouldn't know what to do with one if I caught it. You know, I just do things.
Clearly the video has not uploaded and it's time to leave. I'm pretty sure they won't let me take the camera inside the theater, so it doesn't really make sense. Also that the battery on this thing is very low, so see you guys when I come back. I'm back and it's time to publish. Evening time and the weather is too good for me to not be outside. What is that? Rain. So ever since the rabbit came in, I'm pretty sure she's feeling insecure and that I'm loving her less. But I wanted her to know through this video that I love her. I tried introducing her to the rabbit, but she's way too excited and wants to finish it off as fast as she can, so I think it'll take some more time. But the highlight for today, as the title suggests, is the movie. And I feel, as a person who does not know anything about DC and Marvel, apart from there are some superheroes that I know, namely Batman, Spider-Man and all that, and that I haven't read any reviews or do not know much about the past, apart from that Joker was a really cool guy, I had some expectations with this movie. But now I'm going to review absolutely noob's review on this movie, Suicide Squad. I was told that most of the characters were introduced for the first time, so I guess I can have my own opinions about them. So there's this witch. Her name is... I rather not say the name because whenever you say the name, she appears in black clothes. You gotta go like Enchantress. And she appears in her black clothes and black body trying to dance. She's probably a god, but she's also a witch. She has this brother whose name I didn't even hear once in the movie. He's also black in kind of black in color. I don't want to say that, but he's also orange. So he's just there and he's trying to smash people, put some guts through some people, and that's what he's doing. Apart from that, my favorite character in this entire movie, the coolest guy I have ever seen in my life, was SA. I do not know his name. He's the guy who has fire in his hands. He can destroy the whole world, but he doesn't want to because he's chill. And that is the guy I like the most. I have not seen a cooler guy than him times 2. He's too good. Deadshot Will Smith was another very cool character. He wants to finish everyone off. Harley Quinn. Oh my god, she is cool. But I did not expect Joker to be the way he was in this movie. I did not expect Joker to be a lover. As I showed you the clip earlier, that was the Joker I expected because that's the last one I saw. But it was good. The best part was that the movie was really unpredictable. I did not know what was happening. The Enchantress lady comes in the beginning. I thought she was a cooperative person, but she was not. She became no spoilers. The action scenes were not overkill. Enchantress. Yes, that was my noob review. It was very fast, I think. You do not need to spend a lot of time on a noob reviewing these not at all hyped movies. Okay, bye. Enchantress. His stance, tattoos, his body is like, I'm cool, homie.